Make a great choice today with the 2026 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Come take a test drive today.